what's going on, guys? Duck Gaming here, back with another Minecraft video, and we are back with Stoneblock. This is episode 2 of Stoneblock, and as you can see, I did do a little bit of stuff in between episodes. I expanded the tree farm, and I made this food, because I literally died because I didn't have enough food, but in between episodes. Now, I don't remember if I made this pickaxe when I was actually playing, but basically it's just a Tinker's Construct pickaxe, and it's actually very cool because if I want to, I can just take 3 cobblestone, put it here, put it here, and then fully repair it. So that's really cool. But it's just like a regular stone pickaxe. Anyway, we are going to get on with it. We are going to get back. So, time for these so we can really get far and get like iron and all the crazy shit. We need a millstone. We need a millstone. Here we go, millstone. So we need we need a carpenter's workbench. Do we have that? Do we have that? We do not. Oh, shit. And by the way, I want to get rid of this crafting table. I want to get rid of it because there's a better alternative. And that is, that's something I need a crafting table. I needed the crafting table, but hold on, give me a second. What the hell? You can't make a crafting table like that? This is... How do you make a regular crafting table, then? What the hell is this? I mean, you can make it like that. God, the music is loud. Why is the music always loud in these mod packs? It's like something blaring in your ear. Anyways, let's go. So, I need to go in my... Where is it? What? That is a load of wacky nonsense. I need to put this down. So, I need, what's it called? A blank pattern. Like a pattern right here. We need this. We need sticks. Boom, sticks. 2 sticks. We need boom, boom. Boom, boom. Or, there's something I can make, but I want to make both. So, let me grab this. We can go, we need that mixed with that. And then, boom, crafting station. So, I can do this. Pretty cool, but something I can do, I want to see if it's still in this game. Crafting table on a stick. So it's easier, so let's just make a cobblestone. I'll just make a cobblestone crafting table. And then we'll grab some sticks. Boom, sticks. And then boom, boom. And then here's what this does. It's really cool. You're walking around and you're like, oh, I need to make this. Boom. Just hit the right click and you got it. Really cool. Anyway, let's get back to the actual video. I've already spent like 4 minutes on this. Anyways, this. Boom. We need a cogwheel, but we'll make that first. We need polished. How do we get this? How do we get that? Well, how do we get that? Well, how do we get that? Alright, so I think I know what I'm doing this episode. We're going to the nether. And it's all around here, so we just mine until we get there. I guess I'll mine until something interesting happens. Stupid asshole. Stay! Stop being a dick. But, yeah, see ya. Alright, guys, I mined until my pickaxe broke, which was quite a bit, but I'm gonna cover this up because I already see creepers spawning. But anyways, it's just gonna take forever. And so I'll do that in between episodes, but while that's doing, um, let's just get this. If you mind, never mind. Let's go. I'll cut out this too. Don't worry, you don't have to watch this. All right, guys, we have we're done. Oh shit, I'm done. Um, we have it and a shit ton of cobblestone. So, I swear to God, if I need more than one, I am ripping my hair out. Of course, I need 8. Okay, I'll see you guys when I found 8. Oh my God. Wait, I think I need even more than that. It's like, how do I get that? Oh, you need carpenter's workbench. Okay. Oh, or I can get this, which I can get from the carpenter's workbench, and a shaft, which I can get from site allies. So I need like 9. I need like 9. Hold on. Yeah, I need like 9. I'll see you guys when I have 9. Alright, guys. I have the 9 and the site, so let's smelt it. What? How do I polish it? Oh, yeah. Polished it. It's all polished. Okay, so... Okay, so we need mill. That took so freaking long. Well, it didn't take long, it's just I didn't know how to do it. So I was like, okay, how do I get deep slate? I was down at the level where deep slate should spawn, and I didn't get any of it. Like, okay, millstone. Infested deep slate. How do I get deep slate? Cacklete? What? Smelting? What? Cobbled deep slate. I don't know where to get cobbled deep. Stone cutting. Is there? I think there's like more than one. Yeah. Oh, you can just do stone. Thank God. I need this, so I need a bunch of buttons. So let's just grab this, and this won't be edited up much up, you guys. You could probably already tell that, because I really just don't feel like it. So hopefully it doesn't annoy you guys to watch me do menial things like this. Or if you like watching me do stupid shit like this, just tell me and I'll stop editing my videos as much. Cogwheel. Put that there. Boom, boom, boom. And then you need like a plank or something? What was it? It was something like that. Hold on. Like boom. And then you did boom, boom, boom. Cogwheel. Millstone. Let's go. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. Just gotta break this. Oh, radish. Alright, that was done. Alright. Okay, of course you can't cook it. I guess you gotta eat it raw. That did literally nothing. Anyways, maybe shift click. How do I work you? What do you? Oh, I also need a hand crank. So, hand crank. Here it is. So we just need regular wood, a stick, and some polished andesite. So give me some wood. Oh wait, hold on. I can just do boom, stick, polished andesite. Where's it? What was it? Jesus, what was it? Hand crank. Oh, we need a stone stick. Yeah, okay. Boom, stone stick. Doom. Doom. And what was it again? Polished andesite. Hand crank. There we go, and we need to put a lot of this in the chest. A lot of it. Just put a lot of that. Boom, boom. Put a lot of it in the chest. Put this guy because he was like really annoying me. Alright, let's go. Oh, there we go. So, you then put the gravel in there. Where's the gravel? Here we go. Ah, damn it. No. How does this work? Do I put it in front of it? Anyway. No, what do I do then? So, oh shit. I'm sorry. I accidentally clicked off. Here we go. What do I do? What? Rotational force. Okay. Oh, I got a building gadget! This is actually a really cool item. You could if I ever used it, I'll show you guys how to do it. Shit. How do I work this thing? What is going on? It's like, oh, it should tell you. No, it doesn't. Here we go. Millstone. What do I do with it? Okay, like, how do you get iron, for example? You get it, so ingot, and you can get it from this, right? I think you can. Hold on, let me look for it. No, you can't. How do you work? How you know work? Why you know work? Work! Why you know work? Give me the apples. I'm hungry. Give me a second. I genuinely do not know how this millstone works, so we're just gonna keep on going. Milling gravel. How do you mill gravel? How do you mill anything? It's not fucking working. Do I... Do I... Do I... Do I pickaxe it up? What am I doing here? How does this work? There's nothing. It won't work. I think it's broken. What the fuck? Guys, you gotta understand, I don't know what to do here. It's telling me to mill some gravel. I don't know how. Do I throw it in there? That might be what I do. That's what I do. Everything was telling me to right click. But that is not what you do. What? How long do I have to mill? What? Stop! How long do I have to mill? Is this doing anything? It's not doing anything. Here we go. Mill. Put it in here. Spin this crank. Maybe I put it in like a wrong place. Do I put it back here? Oh, no, obviously not. That's stupid. Do I put it right here? Am I going stupid in the brain? You gotta shift. Shift, boom. No, it still doesn't move. Do I shift, bang? Am I going crazy? Shift, boom. Also not moving. So it must be right here. And if it's not, I don't know what to do. Maybe I have to put in. No, doesn't move. What is going on? Well, we did it. I'll see you guys next time, I guess. But anyways, actually though, that was the video. I made the millstone. That was my goal for today's video. Because I knew it was going to be hard, just not that hard. But anyways, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.